Good afternoon, welcome to the first New York Metro weather video update. And as you can see, it's a wet one out there. This Sunday afternoon is going to be dreary, wet, and likely to cause some flash flooding problems with rain continuing throughout the afternoon and evening and even into Monday morning. So we'll get into it quickly. You can see on the radar there is an expansive shield of moderate to heavy rain. There's a flash flood warning actually directly over Queens, Kings, Nassau, and western Suffolk County. Severe thunderstorm warning down in southwestern New Jersey. And the other flash flood warnings for western New Jersey that were issued until 12:30 have not been reissued yet, but I would venture to guess that they would be shortly. The real culprit that's at work here is pretty easily visible on the 500 millibar, the middle of the atmosphere. You can see there's a large upper level trough extending from the Great Lakes now down to western Pennsylvania. It's closed off, the trough is sharpening and deepening, and there's a significant amount of energy within this trough. It's quite anomalous for this time of year, but it is there, and it is causing a significant impact right now. This matches up very well when you look at the visible satellite imagery. You can see right in western Pennsylvania and eastern Ohio, where the closed 500 millibar low was noted, there is a well-developed circulation. And on the east side of that, you can still see the southwest flow and the precipitation advecting into our area and actually expanding pretty rapidly. You switch back to the radar, and once again, you can see it all matches up very well. This is a very significant system for this time of year. The radar and the surface pressure also matches up. Obviously it should, and you can see the area of precipitation. Now it's important to note there is one surface low right back here over western Pennsylvania, and there's another one developing over the mid-Atlantic, and this is forecast to develop off the mid-Atlantic coast as the trough swings to the east, and that will become the focal point for more precipitation and better forcing and really just continued rainfall throughout the afternoon. So we'll take a look at some of the numbers we have so far today. We scroll through these courtesy of the National Weather Service. The one that sticks out at you right away is Belmore in Nassau County, 8 inches at 12 o'clock p.m. That's a lot of rain. Sheepshead Bay in Brooklyn, 6.53 inches. Massapequa, 6.6 inches. There are a ton of very, very prolific totals on here. And even if you go back to the major airports, Newark Airport, 3.93 inches. JFK Airport, 6.8 inches. That was at 11:48 a.m. And you look at the radar and you just get concerned because you see the amount of rain that's continuing to move into the area. One more thing we can do right now is take a look at the forecast models for the remainder of the afternoon. We'll take a look at the 12Z NAM. And you can see the rain. You look at this screen for the 3-hour precipitation, and you can see that it's forecast really to continue through tomorrow evening. That's 21Z now on Monday. And the rain is still going, and that is a significant amount of rain. It prints out 3 to 4 inches of additional rain throughout the area. And with the upper level low in the area and the degree of the dynamics that we are working with here, it's hard to argue against it. So please prepare adequately. Listen to the watches and warnings that are issued by the National Weather Service. As is the case with any flood warning, advisory, alert, whatever it may be, please do not drive into flooded waters. Be careful. The airports are delayed, the highways are flooded. Don't travel unless it's necessary, really. Flooding is a very, very serious form of severe weather, so please be cautious out there, and we'll be around also. Be sure to visit us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, let us know. Oh, also very important, almost forgot, please submit your storm reports to us on Twitter. It's at New York Metro Weather, that's NY Metro WX. And we could use your reports of flooding, your rainfall totals, your observations. You guys are all very helpful, and we appreciate it so much. But we could use it more than ever today. So have a great Sunday, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.